Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude Projects if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, maybe it's a problem with the Claude servers, okay? Might not be a problem with your specific browser or your computer's app. Now, to check, go ahead over to your browser and just type down Claude status page. Just like so. Now, go ahead and click on status.claude.com right here. Now, you'll be able to see Claude AI, as well as Claude Code and some other Claude services. You can go ahead and go to the far right. And if it says no downtime, well, you should be good to go. We'll have to fix something on your browser or your computer. So if it says red right here, partial outage or a major outage, well, that means there's a problem with Claude AI. So you'll have to wait until everything works perfectly fine right here. So if that's not the case, everything is operational right here. Let's go ahead and go to the fixes. Okay, so first up, on your browser, go ahead and click on three dots, click on settings, go to the left panel, click on privacy and security. Now find third-party cookies. Scroll down and find see on-site data and permissions. Find Claude AI and Claude.com. All right, if it's available. If Claude.com is not available, well, it's all right. So go ahead and delete it, delete, Claude AI as well, delete and delete. Once that's done, close the browser, go to your date and time right here, right click, click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. Once enabled, go to the bottom, click on sync now, wait a bit, close it, and go ahead and reopen up your favorite browser. Open up Claude AI. Then go ahead over to the left panel, click on projects, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, for some browsers that got ad blockers or any other blockers, okay, make sure that you disable them when you try to use Claude. Maybe it causes the blockage right here in the left panel and you won't be able to see projects or the sidebar itself. So that is how you fix Claude Projects if it's not showing. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.